Hi guys, welcome to Baladri's chemistry classes. BITSAT notification has been released and there are some changes compared to previous years. They have provided all the details in their brochure. I'll show you where to download the brochure from. Before that, let's see. First search on web by typing BITSAT. Now you can see this is the official website of BITSAT. Now let's click on that. Now you can see they have provided a link to apply for BITSAT 2022 here. So click on that. So see carefully, they have provided a download link for the brochure here. Let's just download that. First, let us go through the important dates and then we can come back to exam pattern, eligibility and syllabus. The start of BITSAT 2022 application is from 14th March. That is, it has been already started. Deadline to apply for online BITSAT 2022 for session 1 or both the sessions is on 21st May. So this is the deadline. 21st May is the deadline to apply for the BITSAT 2022. Revision or editing in the application form by candidates will be from 17th to 23rd May. So if you have done any mistakes while filling the application form, you can edit that during this window, that is 17th to 23rd May. Test center allotment and announcement to the candidates will be on 26th May. Candidates to reserve test date and slot will be from 28th May to 1st June. Candidates to download the hall ticket will be from 4th June till the exam date. And BITSAT 2022 online test session 1 will be from 20th June to 26th June. So these are the exam dates. The application window, so after the session 1 is done, so for the application window for the session 2 will start from 23rd June to 7th July. The test center allotment and announcement to the candidates will be on 9th July. Candidates to reserve test date and slot will be from 11th July to 16th July. Candidates to download the hall tickets with instructions will be, this is for session 2, will be from 18th July till the exam date. And the exam, that is session 2 exam, will be from 22nd July to 26th July. These are the exam dates. Applying for admission with 12th marks and preferences will be open from 22nd June to 5th August. Editing of preferences in the application form will be from 1st August to 5th August. Admit list and wait list announcement after iteration 1 will be on 8th August. So these are the important dates for the BITSAT 2022. So now let's just go to test format. Okay, here it is. The test means BITSAT 2022 exam will be of 3 hours duration and it consists of 4 parts. The first part will be physics, second part will be chemistry, third part will be English and logical reasoning. Fourth part will be maths or biology. Biology is for pharma candidates. And all the questions are of MCQs. Okay. And each question will be having 4 answers. And then for each correct answer, you will get 3 marks. And for each incorrect answer, you will get -1 mark. So no marks will be awarded if you have not attempted. And then while the candidate can skip a question, the computer will not allow the candidate to choose more than one option as a correct answer. And then let's come to the number of questions for each part. So from physics, it is 30 questions. From chemistry, it is 30 questions. From English, it is 10. Logical reasoning, 20. Maths or biology is 40. And so total of 130 questions. And there is no time limit for individual parts of the test. And the candidate can go back or change his or her answers among 130 questions. Okay. So if a candidate answers 130 questions without skipping any question, the candidate will have an option of attempting 12 extra questions. So if you have done 130 questions without skipping, so you have a chance to attempt 12 extra questions if you still have time. So these extra questions will be from physics, chemistry, maths or biology and logical reasoning. So from each subject 3 questions will be given, so total of 12 extra questions. And if you have chosen to answer these 12 extra questions, you cannot go back to that 130 questions. Okay, now let's see the eligibility criteria. Okay, for admissions to all the above programs, that is these programs, they have given in Pilani campus, they have given BE, B Pharma, MSc and one more MSc. In Goa campus, BE and MSc. And in Hyderabad campus, BE, B Pharma, MSc. So these are the courses provided in each of the campuses. So the eligibility criteria for applying for these courses will be like this. So the first point is, for admissions to all the above programs except for B Pharma, will be candidates should have passed the 12th examination of 10+2 system from a recognized central or state board or its equivalent with physics, chemistry, maths and adequate proficiency in English. For admissions for B Pharma, candidates should have passed 12th examination of 10+2 system from a recognized central or state board or its equivalent with physics, chemistry and biology. And then candidates with PCM may also apply for pharmacy program. So if you are a PCM student, you can also apply for B Pharm. And they have provided some conditions to apply for these programs. So let's read that. The candidate should have obtained a minimum of aggregate of 75% marks in physics, chemistry and mathematics. So if you have chosen mathematics in BITSAT, or a minimum of aggregate 75% marks in physics, chemistry and biology if you have chosen biology in BITSAT. That is in your 12th examination. So in your 12th examination, you should be having 75% of aggregate marks in PCM or PCB. So, and at the same time, you should be having 60% marks in each of the subject. So 75% will be of aggregate, 60% will be of each subject, from each subject. Okay, let's go to next point. Only students who are appearing for 12th examination in 2022 or who have passed 12th examination in 2021 are eligible to appear in BITSAT 2022 test. If a candidate has taken more than one attempt in the 12th class or its equivalent, only his latest performance is considered, providing this attempt has been for the full component of subjects or courses prescribed. Students who have passed 12th examination in 2020 or earlier are not eligible to apply for BITSAT 2022. And students who are presently studying in BITS at any of its campuses are not eligible to apply for BITS 2022. Okay. Student admissions will be made purely on merit, and the merit position of the candidates for admission will be based on the score obtained in the BITSAT 2022. However, their eligibility for admission is subject to fulfilling the requirement of minimum marks in 12th examinations, that is 75% aggregate marks, 60% from each of the subject that you have to fulfill, and then based on your BITSAT marks you will be admitted to the above courses. And there is a direct admission to the board toppers. If you are a topper from a state or central board, you will be having a chance to apply directly to the courses mentioned above, irrespective of your BITSAT score. Okay, now let's see the syllabus. They have given the syllabus in this PDF itself. See, here this is for physics, and if you can scroll down, then there are all the subjects like chemistry, maths, English, logical reasoning, biology. They have provided everything. You can go through this brochure to have a detailed syllabus. And then let's go back to our website, and first let us go through the instructions. Okay, the first point, let's go from first point. Carefully read the brochure for eligibility conditions and other details. You can either download a copy of brochure here. So we have already downloaded it and we have gone through that. And so the second point is, read carefully all the instructions given in this page before proceeding to fill the online application form. You are advised to take a printout of these instructions so that you can refer to the same while filling the online application form. Your responses will be recorded in BITS admission server. After reading all the instructions, click on the Allow me to apply online button at the bottom of this page. So here. The third point is, after completing the form online, you can take a printout of the filled in form. You can keep it at yourself for any future reference. The last day to apply for BITS 2022 is May 21. Complete the online application form along with the prescribed fee by 5 p.m. on May 21. You are not required to send this form by post. Revision or editing window will be open during May 17th to 23rd. If you find any error in your filled application form, you will be able to edit it during the edit window, that is from May 17th to 23rd. However, you will not be allowed to change or edit your registered email ID and mobile number. So be careful while filling the email ID and mobile number. These details will be used throughout the admission process for communication purpose. So let's go to fifth point. While filling out the online application form, you will be asked for center preferences for writing the BITSAT exam. You can choose a center from within India or Dubai or Kathmandu. If you choose centers from within India or Kathmandu, you will be asked to give 3 preferences and will be allotted 1 out of the 3. If a candidate chooses Dubai as a center, he or she will not be asked for any other center preference and will be allotted Dubai center only as per the preference. A candidate who chooses to appear twice will have to pay a sum of 5,000 for male candidate and 4,000 for female candidate. So if you want to apply for session 1 and session 2 at both at the same time, so you need to pay 5,400 for a male candidate, 4,400 for a female candidate. A candidate who originally opts to appear once, that is if you want to apply for only session 1 as of now, so you have to pay 3,400 for a male candidate and 2,900 for a female candidate. If such a candidate chooses then to apply to appear for second time, so previously you have chosen session 1 and then after completing the session 1 exam, if you choose to apply for session 2 also, then you will pay an additional sum of 2,000 for a male candidate, 1,500 for a female candidate. Okay, these application fee is non-refundable and non-transferable. A candidate who has not applied for BITS 2022 by the last date, that is May 21, will not be allowed to apply for session 2 of BITSAT 2022 later on during June 23rd to July 7th. So if you haven't applied for session 1, you are not eligible to apply for session 2. Only if you have applied for session 1, then you can also apply for session 2. Then let's go to 8th point. Okay, if you choose centers within India, the application fee for male candidates and female candidates will be as mentioned above. If you choose Dubai as a test center for session 1, only then application fee for both male and female candidates will be 7,000. However, if a candidate wants to appear for both sessions, then the prescribed fee will be 9,000 rupees for both male and female candidates. Okay, 9th point. Before printing out the filled-in application form, the system will generate a unique application number for you. Note down this number as it will be required for all the future correspondences. If you do not have a printer attached to the computer while filling out your application form, you can complete the application process and take the printout of the application form later, entering the application number, password and email ID. 10th point. While applying online, do not use the back button on the toolbar of your browser. Use the links and buttons available on the page to move from one page to the another. Further, when you have completed applying, close all the open browser windows so that others cannot copy your personal details. A candidate is allowed to fill and submit only one online application form. Multiple application forms of a candidate are liable to be rejected. So you should apply only once. You should not apply multiple times, so that will be rejected. Before starting your online application, keep ready with your scanned images of photograph and signature in the format of JPG or JPEG only. The size of the photo image must be between 50 KB to 100 KB, and the size of the signature image must be between 10 KB to 50 KB. And 13th point, a candidate can apply for the BITSAT 2022 exam online through the official BITS admission website. And the 14th point is, a valid email ID and mobile number are mandatory for the registration of your online application form. The email ID and mobile number should be kept active till the declaration of admission results. BITS will send important information related to your application for writing the test followed by admission procedure on this registered email and mobile number. And the last point is, it is advised that the candidates who completed the application form must proceed to the payment immediately. Please check the payment methods given below. So they have given 2 payment methods. You can use your credit card, debit card, net banking, UPay, and whatever it is. And they have also again given the fee details of first session and both first and second sessions. And then now let's click on allow me to apply online. So as you can see, there are 3 steps. First step is filling your application form. The second step is uploading your scanned images, that is your photograph and signature. The third step will be your payment gateway. So let's just click on this new registration. So this is the application form. So let's see this in the brochure itself. They have given sample screenshots how to fill the form. So see, after pressing new registration, you will be redirected to a new page, that is your application form. So here you have to type your name, but that should match with your 12th year examination mark sheet. So be careful while filling your name, and then gender and date of birth, email ID, confirm your email ID, mobile number, confirm your mobile number, and generate a password, confirm your password, enter the captcha and proceed. After pressing proceed, you will be redirected to a new page. Now here you will be filling your personal details, your father name, mother name, father's mobile number, nationality, complete address, city, pin code, state, and all of that. And then next, here it comes 12th examination details. Here the first point, name of institution presently studying in or last attended. So here you will type that institution name. And then next you will select a board, your state board. You will select your state board. And then year of passing. And then next you will choose maths if you have chosen maths in your if you want to choose maths as in your BITSAT exam, and biology if you want to choose biology. And then here comes the test options. So you can choose only first session, or you can choose both first and second sessions. So if you have chosen only first session, you will pay this. So this is for male candidates, and first and second sessions will be if you have chosen first and second, then it will be 5,400 for male candidates. For female candidate, it will be 4,400. Then next you will choose your preferred test cities, preference 1, preference 2, preference 3, and then you will press submit. Then now you will be redirected to a page where you have to upload your scanned photograph and scanned signature. And also don't forget to note down your application number. Okay, that will be here. So don't forget to note down that. Okay, now choose the file from your device and then upload. Then it will be uploaded here. And for the signature also same. You have to choose a file and then you have to upload, and that will be uploaded here. And then next, after successfully uploading, you will see a payment gateway. So you will choose whatever you want, and then after the completion of the payment, you will be able to download the application form, and then you can take a printout of that. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to Balaji's chemistry classes, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.